Okay guys, we talked about in class some troubleshooting things that you can check to assist you in any kind of issues you may be having with accessing the material. So I'm in my courses. I'm going to go there, go to week 1. And I'm going to scroll down to Flipgrid. This is embedded. And so yours may show up to where it's asking you to log in with Google or with Microsoft. Remember, if that notice happens, always choose to log in with Microsoft because that will allow you to remain on your school email and it won't default back to a personal Gmail that may be on the device that you are using. But let's say you click record a response and then this pops up. Now, for mine, it is showing up right now because I am using my screencasting to make this video for you. That's why my mic and camera will pop up for Flipgrid because it's in use already. But if you know you are not using yours and this notice shows up, the troubleshooting thing would be to do this. If you go up to the URL bar, go over to that lock. It is actually a button. Click that button. Your camera and mic should show up here. If it does, make sure they are both set to allow. It will usually say this because it's a default. Change that to allow. Change your flash to allow. And allow pop-ups and redirects. That is not the bad ad pop-ups. That's something different. These are the good pop-ups like the notices that it's talking about here that would let you know that you need to allow it to use your camera. Once you do that, exit out. It should prompt you to reload. If it doesn't, come right here and click that little bar right there, or excuse me, that little button right there to reload it. So reload the page. And again, it should push you right on through. You should be able to record. If you click that little lock and camera and mic does not show up for you, you may need to go on down here to your site settings. And you should see your camera and mic there, and you can make those changes there. Exit out, reload, and it should push through. If for some reason those still do not work on your device, the next option would be to come over here and open up another tab. Get this code here, DFDEC 79A. And just put the code in and it should take you straight to it. That code will also work if you download the free app onto your device or tablet. So I hope that helps doing some troubleshooting with the Flipgrid.